Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about renaming rooms. When you drop a room into Xactimate, it comes with a name preloaded, in order, room 1, room 2, room 3. And there's a couple different ways to change it. You can just click on the name once and change it here. Let's go to bathroom. I can come up to properties, and I can change it in the properties menu. But this is Hotkey Highlights, right? I'm here to show you how you can do it as efficiently as possible. So, by clicking the room and hitting the F2 key, I can actually rename it just like that. No trying to find the name and making sure I'm clicking the right room name or going into the properties. Just a simple click the room, F2, change the name, on to the next one. So when you've got a sketch with a ton of rooms, this is how you can get through them much more efficiently and renaming them to the proper names. This has been another Hotkey Highlight. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.